Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics here with an updated solution for 2005 to 2007 Chrysler 300s, the 99-6550B. This kit is designed for a single and double-din install and is painted a scratch-resistant matte black. To finalize this install, your wiring harnesses will be the XSVI-6502-NAV and the CHTO-01, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-CR10. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.